What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to walk you through my desk setup of 2022. I've recently moved to a new place back in January. I've gotten my room and my desk setup to a place that I'm actually satisfied with. As you can see, there are some big changes to my setup compared to the last setup tour. One being the change from orange to white walls, some lighting changes, and a powerful new addition to the workflow. Let's take a look. We'll start with a desk. Here I got the Autonomous Smart Desk Pro frame paired with an IKEA countertop. The countertop measures 74 inches by 26 inches. The large size is great for placing everything I need on my desk while also having enough space for writing or drawing. It's also a sit-stand desk. That gives me the option to work at my desk while I'm stretching my legs. Underneath I have a small drawer called the Trotten from IKEA. It's a decent drawer with enough space to hold everything that I would need in arm's reach. And just a warning, unorganized drawer alert. But it also fits the overall desk aesthetic with it being white. There's also a bit of space on top, making it convenient when I want to stow my journal or accessories. For my setup, I rock two monitors, one horizontally and one vertically. My horizontal monitor is an Alienware ultra-wide 34-inch 3440 by 1440 monitor. It's 120Hz, making it great for gaming. The 21:9 aspect ratio makes viewing multiple windows easy, and scrubbing through long timelines convenient. My vertical monitor is an Acer Predator 27-inch 2450 by 1440 monitor. It's essentially my media window where I'd put Discord, Spotify, or a YouTube video while I'm doing work on my main monitor. I always say the more screen space you have, the better. Both monitors are mounted on monitor arms to give it this floating effect. The Vivo stand holding my Acer Predator is harder to articulate compared to the North Bio arm that holds my ultra-wide. The North Bio arm is gas struck, and I can move it forward, back, and down very easily. Now to the heart of my setup, the computers. Here's my PC tower and all the specs inside. I primarily use it for gaming and Windows OS specific programming. I built this PC a few years back, slowly swapping parts in and out, and it performs great. The only real change is the Wi-Fi 6 card that I installed because the modem is just way too far to run an Ethernet. Big new addition to my desk, or should I say a small addition, the M1 Mac Mini now sits with my PC as well. It's essentially my work computer where I code in macOS specific programming. I'm currently learning Swift and making some iPhone apps. I'm overall happy with it, and it still blows my mind that something this small can keep up with editing videos compared to my desktop tower. For my keyboard, I use the Microsoft Designer Combat keyboard. I've been constantly coming back to this keyboard despite having the MX Mini and two mechanical keyboard options. I think it's the overall feel of this keyboard that just makes me want to type on this over anything else. Paired with this keyboard, I have the Razer Orochi V2. It's a good, lightweight mouse that's really been put through its paces. Again, I currently prefer this mouse over others because of how well it fits my hand and grip style. And as you can tell, the common theme of my setup is comfort and convenience. Over here, I have my mic Elgato Wave 3. It's my primary mic input where I do the majority of my voiceovers. I originally got it because I did want to get into streaming, and the Wave 3 removes the need for physical audio interface to adjust the different volume inputs and outputs. But currently, it's my Zoom call / voiceover mic. And my headphones of choice are the Takstar Pro 82 that hang underneath my desk when they aren't in use. They are super comfortable and I can wear them for hours without fatigue. And that's with my glasses on. Those with glasses know what I'm talking about. Just to the left of that, I have my DAC and USB 3.0 hub that I've mounted underneath my desk. And rather than having cabling stretching all the way from my PC, I can just plug what I need right here. Moving on to the other accessories on my desk, I have a marathon clock to keep track of time during those long coding sessions. Sitting next to that is my Funko R2-D2. I'm a big Star Wars fan and I wanted to bring some personality to my desk. And sticking with the Star Wars theme, this is my favorite desk accessory. It's the Millennium Falcon Coasters. They're absolutely perfect. One, they protect my desk from any drink, and that's usually coffee or cold beverage. And two, they look absolutely amazing and match my somewhat minimal aesthetic. Over to the left, I have my Game of Thrones coffee mug with all my pens and pencils, with probably the best line from the Game of Thrones franchise. If you know, you know. Over here, I have black sticky notes where I write down reminders or quotes and stick them anywhere around my setup, usually on my PC. To light my whole setup, I use 3 Hue light bars, one on my desk, behind my monitor and one underneath. I also have this Gobi wall light. They're all connected to my Google Home app, making them easy to control, but they bring so much personality to my overall plain gray and white setup. Lastly, the chair I sit in for hours at a time. It's the autonomous ergo chair. It's very comfortable. It has a bunch of different adjustments to get the most comfortable seating position. It's white on gray again to match the overall setup. That's my current desk setup for 2022, at least for now. It's a multi-use setup where I game, study, and make videos. I try my best to keep it clean, organized, and functional. It'll probably stay like this for a while before I decide to change things around. Leave a like if you found this desk setup interesting, and let me know in the comments if you found something that you liked or didn't like. I'll leave links to everything on here in the description below. And on that note, I'm going to get back on that grind. Thanks for watching.